Hey guys, I know you haven't seen much of my XDiavel lately, and well, there's some pretty serious reasons as to why, but she is back on the lift right now, and I'm going to go through a few of the modifications that you can see up until this point. So, let's come on back to the front, and let's talk about, well, some of the custom colors. So what we did, we actually had the headlight surround custom powder coated to try and match the titanium finish on these AEM Factory triple clamps. Now, I think these triples are just really nice. They come with this cool little black spacer, which just cleans up the look on the front end of the XDiavel quite a bit. Anyhow, that titanium kind of nickel finish, we just thought it was really cool. So as you can see, we powder coated the headlights around. We also powder coated the frame and parts of the belt covers, just because it looks very cool this way. I've got a custom CNC Racing clutch cover in a black and bronze bicolor style, which will be going on soon as well. Can't wait to put that on. See this carbon fiber? Well, that's part of the Zard exhaust, which is partially installed as of this moment. That's the stainless steel header pipe from it. No more catalytic converter. This bike will be loud, proud, and just awesome looking. That's the included carbon fiber rear fender. Comes with the Zard exhaust because the original will not fit anymore. Subframe has also been powder coated. Yes. Now, a few other things have been done, and quite a few more are still to come. You can't see it, but there's an MWR air filter in there right now. You can see those gray hoses. Those are Samco hoses. We're going to go this far and not give it better hoses. Also, you've got the Carbon Vani radiator surround, which is just a beautiful single piece of carbon fiber going all the way around the radiator. Now, this radiator will get some cool stainless steel guards, probably from CNC Racing or Cox Racing, one of the two, but haven't quite decided and gotten those here yet. There's a few more things yet to be decided upon with this motorcycle. However, something else that's already finished and installed would be the Matrix suspension upgrades. Right here, you've got the top of the line R version fork cartridge. And as we come around to this side, I'm going to show you that we've also already added the Matrix fully adjustable rear shock. Yes. Looks beautiful, surrounded by all this cool custom powder-coated frame and swing arm. Stay tuned, there's so much coming for this bike. The BST carbon fiber wheels are already here. They'll be installed shortly. Alright guys, that's it for this update. More to come soon.